Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by green fields and tall trees, there lived a milkman named Raghav. Every morning, Raghav woke up early, tied to shiny bells around his cows' necks, and walked from house to sell fresh milk. The villagers depended on him because milk was important for their tea, sweets, and growing children. Raghav was a hard-working man, but he had one big weakness: he was very greedy. He always thought about money. Even when he had enough to live happily, he wanted more and more. His wife, Sita, was kind and simple. She often advised him, "Raghav, be honest. Greed brings trouble." But Raghav never listened. He laughed and said, "Money brings happiness. The more I have, the better my life will be." One morning, as Raghav was milking his cows, an idea came into his mind. "What if I add a little water to the milk?" he thought. "No one will notice, and I will earn extra money every day." He smiled to himself and added water to the milk before pouring it into the cans. At first, everything seemed fine. The villagers paid him as usual, and Raghav earned more money than before. He felt clever and proud. Every evening, he counted his coins and said, "See, Sita, my idea works." Sita looked worried and replied softly, "Cheating is wrong. Please stop before it causes harm." But Raghav waved his hand and ignored her words. Days passed, and Raghav became more greedy. He added more and more water to the milk. Soon, the milk became thin. Some children in the village started falling sick because the milk had lost its nutrition. Mothers complained that the tea did not taste good anymore. Slowly, people began to suspect Raghav. One day, an old woman named Grandma Shanti called Raghav. She was wise and respected in the village. "Son," she said kindly, "the milk you sell is not pure. Please check your ways." Raghav became angry. "Are you calling me a liar?" he shouted. "My milk is the best in the village." Grandma Shanti sighed sadly and said nothing more. Raghav felt uneasy after that, but his greed was stronger than his fear. The next morning, he decided to add even more water. "I will earn double today," he thought happily. That same day, the village head announced a meeting. All the villagers gathered under the big banyan tree. The headman spoke firmly, "Many people are complaining about the milk. We will test the milkman's honesty tomorrow." Raghav's heart started beating fast. He felt scared for the first time, but he still did not stop. The next morning, the villagers asked Raghav to pour milk into a large bowl filled with water. Everyone watched closely. Pure milk should sink or mix slowly, but Raghav's milk floated like water. The truth was clear. People whispered among themselves. Some looked angry, and some felt disappointed. The headman looked at Raghav and said, "You have cheated the entire village. Milk is food for children and elders. Your greed has harmed others." Raghav lowered his head in shame. For the first time, he realized the pain he had caused. As punishment, the headman said, "You must return the extra money you earned and promise to never cheat again. Until then, you will not be allowed to sell milk." Raghav's eyes filled with tears. He begged for forgiveness. "I am sorry," he said. "My greed blinded me. Please give me one more chance." The villagers discussed among themselves. Finally, Grandma Shanti stepped forward and said, "Everyone makes mistakes. Let us forgive him, but only if he truly changes." The headman agreed. Raghav promised in front of everyone that he would always be honest. That evening, Raghav went home quietly. He hugged his wife and cried. "You were right, Sita," he said. "Greed brings only trouble." Sita smiled gently and said, "It's good that you have learned your lesson." From the next day, Raghav sold pure milk. He took less money, but he felt peaceful and happy. Slowly, the villagers trusted him again. Children became healthy, and tea tasted good once more. Raghav realized that honesty brings respect, while greed brings shame. From that day on, Raghav lived a simple and honest life. He understood that true happiness does not come from cheating others, but from doing the right thing. Remember, kids, greed leads to loss and shame, but honesty brings trust and happiness. What lesson did you learn today? Tell us in comments and subscribe. Thank you for watching.